Happy birthday, Johnny!
Thank you, Dave.
This is Johnny. Johnny's never been good with names.
Well, hey, Karen, and hey,
Darren, your nephew.
my man, Daryl.
But today
Thank you
is
all for
Johnny's
being here,
lucky day.
Karen, Donnie,
Because he's about to receive the
Dave,
gift of a
and
lifetime.
of course, you again.
Cami doorbell camera with face recognition lets you know exactly who's at the door.
It's so easy to install. You could hardwire it, or you could just use,
Batteries?
batteries.
I'm telling you guys,
I mean, I don't understand why.
No,
I
you
cannot
guys
believe
don't
it.
understand.
We're taking his gifts back.
I will not
You know what?
stand
No,
for this
we're not
anymore.
going to do
You
this again
guys
next year.
don't
We're
understand.
Hey, what's happening, Janet? It's my friend Janet.
Cami doorbell camera. Smart home security right at your door.